people, we're here. We at, I actually don't know where I am. I thought.
I wasn't gonna do it. Now I'll be honest, if I go down there, like I go for a trade.
Oh yeah.
Did they trade it? Cause I
How you doing? Push it in? That makes sense.
Yes, people, so far so good. We're definitely enjoying the Brightline Orlando location. I love it. It's set up like an airport and like what a little bit more fancier than an airport. I see that they have like different section there. I'm not quite sure what it's about. Like the premium lounge. I'm guessing it's like you might get some free drinks in there. I didn't research it, but it definitely look VIP-ish. For sure, and those doors right there definitely show which track you're getting on. But that's not where we're getting on. But I'm feeling it. Let me know how y'all feeling about it. Leave some comments. Look at that bar. Come on now. The airport don't even look that nice. I'm just saying. Let me know how y'all feel about what y'all think about the Orlando Brightline train station. It's set up different. It definitely gives off a different feeling of, yeah, this is not just a train. No, this is not the Amtrak. This is not the Tri-Rail. So I'm feeling it. Shout out to Orlando. None of Orlando. Shout out to Brightline for putting this together, because they definitely put it together well. It definitely gives the vibe of traveling. Now you see that barcode right there. That right there, you can scan that barcode. When you scan that barcode, you get the menu of drinks, food, whatever, which is what I'm doing right here. I was hungry, but I still didn't buy nothing. My wife would say I was cheap, but it's not cheap. I just didn't see nothing that made sense for me for my pocket. I'm not cheap. I just spend my money wisely. But I definitely like this atmosphere for sure. And I'm definitely gonna be doing it again. So far, so good.
Thank you for choosing Brightline and welcome aboard. Gracias por pasajeros de Brightline. Actualmente estamos abordando el tren de las 5:25 AM, con destino a Miami o paradas en los Estados Unidos.
Alright, people. We're here. We're here. We at, I actually don't know where I am. I thought it was going to the regular train station. Oh, up here looks nice. Up here looks nice. Look at here. Brightline do it right now. Okay. Nice. I guess all of them set up nice. I really don't know where I am though. Don't know where I am, but when I go outside I will know where I am. We'll be sending my wife the location of where I am. Hold up, okay, it's the exit. Yeah, this thing's set up like that. How you doing? Hey. Alright, y'all. I don't know where the heck I am. My wife says she know where it is. Hold on, I can't record right here. Too much music. I'm done now. They playing music, so I can't really record nothing. Alright, people. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got off on the Brightline train for Fort Lauderdale, right? And I'm looking around like, where the heck am I? Apparently my wife knew where I was, right? So I thought I was gonna be at the regular train station. I guess they have their own train tracks. It's different. It's different. Overall, I definitely like it. It gives you an airport vibe, for sure. The Brightline gives you an airport vibe. I must say that, because even you go through better detectors, the inside, very nice. They set it up very nice. I like it. Shout out to Brightline. Y'all did y'all thing on that. What I don't like, I didn't see nothing I didn't. What I would like was more. Well, I don't even know if my chair went back. I never tried it, but it's the overall experiences. I like it, but they need to work on that price. They need to work on that price. Other than that, man, good experience. Will I take it again? Yeah, because the fact that it leaves so early. I left Orlando at like 5:20. It's like 8 o'clock now, so you could come home at a good time, a decent time. They had one earlier than that, like 4 or something. So I like that. So would I take it again? More than likely. And the one thing I did notice, the quicker you buy or the earlier you buy your ticket, it's cheaper. $59. It's not gonna be cheaper than your $59. Yeah, so that's what it is. Shout out to Brightline. I like how y'all set it up. It's like an airport run. They need to put it in Tampa too. But either way, guys, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it. Brightline, holla at me if you want me to do some more.